Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hopefully you all would be fine. Let's start our studies from grade 7, subject science. Today we are going to start unit number 1, which is on page number 7, nutrition in plants. Dear students, what do you do when you feel hungry? Of course, you eat food. Just like us, plants are also living things. They also need food to survive. All living things need energy for growth, for doing our daily life activities. From where that energy come from? That energy come from the food we take. Now, what is the word nutrition means? Nutrition is the process in which living organisms take in food and utilize that food into energy. Students, if we will not eat food, what will happen? तो बेटा क्या होगा फिर? हम में एनर्जी नहीं आएगी. So we need energy for doing our daily life activities. Now there are two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Let's understand with the word autotrophic. Auto means self and trophic means to feed. Those organisms who make their own food are called autotrophs. वो organisms जो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं वो autotrophs कहलाते हैं. Now let's understand the word heterotrophic. Hetero means an other and trophic means to feed. मतलब वो organisms जो अपना खाना खुद नहीं बना सकते वो दूसरे plants और दूसरे animals पर depend करते हैं for food. वो organisms कहलाते हैं heterotrophs. Now, have you understood the word nutrition means? Nutrition has two modes, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Now students, let's understand the autotrophic nutrition first. जैसे कि हमें पता है green plants अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं, वो autotrophs कहलाते हैं. बट वो अपना खाना कैसे बनाते हैं? Green plants prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. बट कैसे करते हैं? By simple substances. अब हम सीखेंगे photosynthesis क्या होता है and simple substances कौन से होते हैं. Photo means light and synthesis means to prepare. Anything which is made in the presence of light is called photosynthesis. अब simple substances कौन से होते हैं? Sunlight, chlorophyll, water and minerals and कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. तो फोटोसिंथेसिस स्टार्ट करने के लिए प्लांट को क्या क्या चाहिए? सनलाइट, क्लोरोफिल, वाटर एंड मिनरल्स एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. These are called the raw materials of a plant. Let's understand this process. The process of photosynthesis takes place in the leaf and the leaf contains a substance called chloroplast. क्लोरोप्लास्ट में ये ग्रीन सब्सटेंस होते हैं जिन्हें हम क्लोरोफिल कहते हैं, और इसीलिए ही लीव्स को फूड फैक्ट्री कहा जाता है, क्योंकि प्लांट का जो खाना होता है वो क्लोरोफिल में बनता है। और क्लोरोफिल कहाँ होता है? लीफ में। दैट्स वाई the leaf is called the food factory of the plant. The roots of the plant absorb water and minerals from the soil. Then these are transported through stem to the leaves. The leaf traps the sunlight and it gets carbon dioxide through stomata. Now, what are stomata? Stomata are tiny pores present at the back of the leaf. Then, the process of preparing of food starts in the chlorophyll. जब प्लांट को वाटर, मिनरल्स, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और सनलाइट मिल जाती है तो उसका खाना क्लोरोफिल में बनना शुरू हो जाता है। In results, oxygen is released and food is made. Have you got beta? जब ऑक्सीजन रिलीज हुई तो प्लांट का फूड प्रिपेयर हो गया। I hope you have understood the process of photosynthesis. Now beta, come to the equation of photosynthesis. When carbon dioxide combines with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the food, which is in the form of glucose, is made and oxygen is released. Now students, I'm assigning you the homework which is on page number 11, true or false. You will read these statements carefully and you will write true or false according to the statements. And click the picture of your paper and send it to the school WhatsApp number. Allah Hafiz.